What's good, YouTube? Video. You already know what we doing today, man. Today we got one of the, I don't know what to call her, the princess of dancehall. Huh? What do you say? Royalty of dancehall? Because you know, if I call her queen of dancehall, no people be going crazy right now. But I say the princess of dancehall. You know what I'm talking about. None other than, yeah, the leader of the Shenyang. Yeah, I'm talking about none other than Shenseea. You know what I'm saying? We're back with a Shenseea reaction today. And this one is entitled Beama, featuring Lola Brooke. Yeah, I'm not too familiar with Lola Brooke, but we are familiar with Shenseea. We know Shenseea is mad talented and she's mad gifted and she's making some banger songs. You know what I'm saying? And I've been wondering where Shenseea been for a minute. But it seems like she's back with her new song Beama featuring Lola. We're going to check it out and see what we're doing. She doing today, guys. And before we get it, remember I fixed the link in the description to the Discord, so go ahead and hit that link and join the Discord, become part of the family, gang. Yeah, man, like I said, gang, we got Shenseea today and we're reacting to her new song entitled Beama featuring Lola Brooke. Yes, gang, I'm gonna check it out and see what they're dealing with today. I don't know, we never go all over the vibes much longer. We're gonna jump right into the track. This is Shenseea featuring Lola Brooke, Beama. Let's get it. Woo, she got Rolls Royce, what? Don't see that double R. She making that money. Everything that money on. Come on, man.
About bring scared business to me. You're looking at the toughest rascal Jamaican in the United.
Hold on. Wasn't this the freestyle she did I believe yesterday on the block? So she previewed it. Hold on.
United States of America.
I Shenseea, drop double R, fuck a Beama. Grass green, but me still hustle for make it greener. More cheese pan my bread, it look like pizza. VVS so cold, straight out of my freezer. I'm in a plate like the dealer, top shadows and squeezers. Me not talk to bum.
Yeah, man, she not play, man. She come for name food, bro. Yo, she not play. Come on.
Bitch, bottom feeders. Hot head, fever, top model, diva. Pop bottles with the champion, handed the ball like Kyrie. Ivy, mainly shoot the side B. Lipstick, red like Ferrari. You gon' make me flash on a bitch like paparazzi. I'm too fly to crash up, but fuck it, kamikaze.
Yeah, man, this is spitting. She going back to spitting days, bro. You feel me? This not rap, this is spitting as a Jamaican.
Shenseea, drop double R, fuck a Beama. Like a shot like trigger finger, I'm a stinger. My outfit a murder, it's a felony. Bitches all in my business without an LLC. And I do this shit for practice.
This, yo, felony, it's a murder. Bitches all in my business without a LLC. God.
It's a felony, bitches all in my business without an LLC. And I do this shit for practice. Son so many bitches, I might put them on my taxes. Caribbean Serena with the racket. I ain't going back and forth with bitches cause they ratchet. Them a real blood clot man muscle. Can't start beef cause the water.
Oh, come on, bro. She killing this shit, bro. Come on, she one of the best spitters.
I run deep, I got the type of money that can put you 6 feet. Caught myself to sleep in $10,000 sheets. Bitches look like lumps, say a grace, let's eat.
Wait. What's that? Was that spice shit, bro? Huh? Bitches looking hungry, say your grace, let's eat. Ooh. Who that little baddie you got with you?
Sheets. Bitches look like lumps, say your grace, let's eat. Big gate, let's eat. What's beef?
Oh, that's Lola Brooke.
Say your grace, let's eat. You more.
Hey, I'm loving this. 2 baddies on the track, bro. Come on, going crazy, bro. You better spit, cause Shenseea was spitting, bro. You can't let it down.
Never speak on business, it's supposed to be disclosed. He gon' get patrolling on my post. Fuck these whole ass niggas. I've been fucking on the roads. It ain't the plane, it's Lola. Running over.
Fuck these whole ass niggas. She been fucking on the roads, bro. It's mad disrespectful. I fuck with it. Come on.
Niggas, I've been fucking on the roads. It ain't the plane, it's Lola. Running over feelings with a rover. Toting up the toast. Even D1 players couldn't hold up. Body like milk, nah, coca. I can hear your heartbeat. Hit is move faster than your heartbeat.
Shen. You know Shenseea my baby, bro. You already know that. And then she brought another one to our relationship, Lola Brooke, bro. Huh? She trying to have a polyamorous relationship with me, bro. Shenseea, baby, I see you, girl. I love you too, girl. You know, we gonna have fun later on. You feel me? Come on.
And none of they sins gon' haunt me. I'm a ill ass bitch. Got him guzzling the hot shit. Shenseea, drop double R, fuck a Beama. Like a shot like trigger finger, I'm a stinger. Let's eat. What?
Come on. It's one of the best freestyle spit I've heard in a minute, bro. I've heard in a minute. Yo, y'all need to step y'all game up. Shenseea not play with y'all, bro.
Beef. Say your grace, let's eat.
Come on, bro. Damn, man, she fine.
I wish for the
Shenseea, man, you my baby girl. Come on, bro. That the girl can't stand you, no, bro. That's why the girl can't stand you. You look so good, you're 6. Come on, man. Yeah, man. That's my baby, Shenseea. Put some respect on her name, man. Shout out to Lola Brooke, bro. Yo, they did that shit, bro. It's the best. It's the best song, best verse. You know what I'm saying? I heard Spec all year, bro. You feel me? Only person that came, bro, is Cartel, bro. You see me what I'm saying? Damn, bro. Shout out to Shenseea, bro. She went crazy on that one. You feel me? Masika, yo, he in problems, my G. Masika in a problem. Mali in a problem. Alka, you feel me? Valley, yo, y'all in problem, bro. Y'all stop sleeping on Shenseea, bro. Shenseea, she going crazy, bro. She going crazy, bro. She going crazy, bro. Oh my God, yeah, that was Shenseea, I big up your damn self, bro. That was my favorite. That's my favorite verse spit all year, bro. I don't see nobody topping that right now, bro. She spit. She spit like she's rapping, but she kept her accent and everything, bro. And I've been said that, bro. Long time now the DJ them, bro. You can go on rap beats, bro, and still keep your accent, bro, and still spit on that shit. You feel me? But you gotta rap like you're yardy. Bro, big up Shenseea. She did it so seamlessly, so clean. It didn't sound forced. It didn't sound out of place. It didn't sound weird. It didn't sound off beat. No, it just sounded perfect. It's just like, yo, she was making a song to go hard and it went hard. Damn. She ate that beat up, bro. For real, she ate that beat up, bro. Y'all niggas gotta come correct, bro. Y'all niggas, y'all bitches gotta come correct, bro. You feel me? Shenseea leading right now. I ain't gonna cap to you. I'm not gonna cap to you. Shenseea leading right now. She did that shit. You feel me? Damn. She went hard. And the video R2, she the double R, bro. Come on. Double R for Beama. Hey, Shenseea, man, you did that. Big up yourself. Shout out to Shenseea. Shout out to Lola Brooke, bro. I really enjoyed that shit, bro. That shit made my night. No cap. You feel me? Shout out to Shenseea. Shout out to Lola Brooke, bro. Keep doing your thing, bro. Shoot for the stars, man. You know I'm or beyond, bro. They can't stop you. Facts. They can't stop you, bro. You doing your thing, man. Shout out Shenseea, bro. You take it beyond, bro. Take it to the stars and beyond. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Damn. Guys, let me know what you think about that in the comment section, man. You already know. If you like, go show that to some love and support. Make you know say, yo, Jambisco dance. Send them. You see me and say, yeah, man. You know, say send you, man. I'm showing love and support, man. You don't know. I fixed the link in the description to the Discord. So go ahead and click that link, join the Discord, and become part of the family. We'll lit over there. Send me videos, send me requests, talk to me, chop it up. All that good stuff, man. You know we're lit. I don't know, guys. So what, Jambisco? I was here with a banger video. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love, guys.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot at selector.